After you create your account with Denser AI, you'll then be sent over to this main dashboard where you're going to be easily able to create your chatbots. Now, when I say it's super easy to create chatbots with Denser, it is super easy. You can do this within a couple of clicks. So click on the create new button and you'll then be sent over with this option where you can choose between two different sources. You can either choose websites, which it will scrape through different websites recursively or on a one basis, and it will basically collect website data for you, and it will basically build a chatbot based off the link that you provided. In the same manner, you can do it with the files that you upload. So in this case, you can upload PDFs, TXT, CSV, as well as many others. So you can choose between the option that is best fitted. In this case, I'll showcase a simple example of me uploading a couple of files. So there's this PDF that explains what the channel is about. So I have actually fed it into Denser AI, and I'm going to now click on the build now button. So I fed it the knowledge base or the context, and now we have Denser AI starting to create the chatbot. Now, what you can do is you can start chatting with it right away, or you can go back and you can manage it so that you can customize it. So in this case, this is where you can customize the appeal of the chatbot so that you can export it as a link and so that other people can actually utilize it.